In this video, we're taking a closer look at the FAQ section, and trust me, this one's more powerful than it looks. Think about it. Before someone buys a course, they've usually got questions swirling in their head. How long do I have access? Is this course right for beginners? Can I get a refund? If you don't answer these up front, you risk losing them. That's exactly what the FAQ section is for. It helps you clear up doubts before they become objections, and that can make a huge difference in your conversion rate. When you add this section, you can write your own quandis or let the AI assistant create them for you. Just share your course topic and how many questions you need, and it'll handle the rest. First, log into your course platform and click on the Page Builder tab. Then click on the landing page you want to edit. Locate the FAQ section under Page Settings and click on it. If it's not in the list of sections, click Add New Section and click on FAQ. You can either create your FAQ from scratch or generate one with the AI assistant. Under Headings, type in the title and subtitle. Under Questions, click Add New FAQ. Go ahead and type in your question and answer. To add more questions and answers, click Add New FAQ again, depending on the number of questions you want to add. Some solid FAQs to include might be, is there a free trial available? Can I change my plan later? What is your cancellation policy? How does billing work? You can change the question and answer colors to match your brand, and keep your answers short, clear, and reassuring. You want to remove friction, not add more. Then you can select an icon and color for your questions to make the list well organized. You can also hop onto the Design tab to style the block style, head alignment, background color, and background image to fit your brand. And like other sections, your changes show instantly on the preview screen to the right. At the end of the day, your FAQ section should look similar to this. Now here's a smart move. Place your FAQ section after the course content or benefits section. That way, after you've hyped the value, you address any lingering doubts that might keep someone from clicking Enroll. Visually, this section is designed with a drop-down layout, so it looks neat and doesn't overwhelm the page. Visitors can expand each question to read the answer. It's a great user experience and keeps your page looking clean. Remember, the AI assistant is always available to generate all your FAQ sections if you're stuck. All right, that's it for the FAQ section. See you in the next video.